Alright, so we're doing boys versus girls.
And I am the men. Okay, set our position. If you guys like this video, make sure to go subscribe. I like this gun.
No, but we have to take cover and hide.
Oh yeah, like a riot shield. Like a riot shield. Whoa, fold it up. Sniper. I'm gonna be the one running around. Okay, here's my gun.
I'm gonna
strong. Oh!
Alright.
Well, that one went over there.
Alright, ready?
Let's go.
Are you all ready?
Let's get the game.
Not yet.
Okay, well, sorry guys. Get started! Ching chong chong! Oh, Jacob with his riot shield! Oh! Oh, that bullet just failed.
We all have 3 lives.
Ah! I got shot! I died! Okay, let's go.
I shot Jacob.
Ah! That was a failed bullet.
I ran out of bullets.
We have 3 lives.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, I ran out of bullets. I need bullets, I need bullets. Oh yeah, this is my, okay, we're reloading.
Alright, I'm moving.
They might ambush us. Wait, wait, oh my god, oh my god. Here, grab some bullets.
I can only hold 2, so.
Okay, okay guys, let's go. Bro! Let's go. You need bullets, Jacob! Jacob! Jacob, right here!
Okay, everyone, regroup and get back in your.
That's so hard! Chicle. I have 3. I have 2. I'm at 1.
Jacob's out, so he's a referee.
Here's ready.
By the way, everyone, this is going as planned.
There you go. My right shoot. I'm gonna go on the plants.
Pick.
What? Are you storing bullets in the thing?
Yeah.
What?
I'll sneak in here.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna ambush them. Shoot, go.
I'm using no one.
Wait. Go. Okay. Ambush the bears! Run! Hey. Hi, ma'am.
Guys, they're hiding right there, like right there. Go, yeah.
Wait. Let me place down the
Go
shit.
set up a wall. Let's go the wall.
Ambush! Bro! You don't know how to shoot.
Free target.
You know what?
Hey guys, there's like a free target.
Oh! I got you! Yeah, I'm pretty sure. You need bullets, I need
Use a
bullets.
defective bullet.
Hurry,
Got me.
go. She's ambushing. Look, they're ambushing. It's so funny. I like little people shooting at me. Oh, free bullet, thanks. Ah, false bullet. Hi, Jacob. I'm an ambush. I ran out of bullets. Who was that? Ah, my head. Oh no.
You're here.
Bye guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to
Nobody
leave a
can
like
hear
down
you.
below.
Let me make my hair like Derick.
Okay, be quiet.
Leave a like down below.
Okay,
Bye, everyone.
We're doing.
like, subscribe if you want.
And if you farted on the video, fart on the video. Okay, bye.